Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to increase mic volume in OBS Studio. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just open your OBS Studio app, and here, as you can see, you can increase or decrease this slider. Also, what you can do, just click on this three dots. Okay, navigate to filters, and here on bottom left side, click on this plus icon, and here select compressor. I've already selected compressor, so I will just go to this one. Now here, output gain, just increase or decrease this output gain, and as you can see the difference, so just put it at 4 or 5. 4 or 5 is enough, and just click on, just close this, and that's it, you're good to go. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.